Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hang your Insta360 GO Ultra on your chest. So if you have this little accessory in the box, then you can hang your camera on your chest. And in order to do it, first of all, remember that you shouldn't use it if you have a pacemaker. So if you have a pacemaker, don't use this device and don't use the camera on your chest. But in other scenarios, you can use it. First, you'll need to take the standalone camera out of the action pod by pressing and holding on this lock button, and then taking it out. You can now release the button. I'm gonna put the action pod aside for a moment. Now you can decide whether you would prefer the camera to be facing up or facing straight. Now in this setup it's gonna be facing up because you know your chest is most probably kind of curved, and it's just gonna, now it is straight, so this part, the gray rubber part, is gonna lay on your chest, and this part has a magnet that's gonna be attached to the standalone camera. Now if you prefer it not to face up, rather just face straight, then you can just rotate this rubber part like that, and now you can see it has a different shape now, and it should be technically facing straight now. Now it's also important that you put this part under your t-shirt, so you can just hang this strap around your neck, and then also you can hold these two plastic parts and change the size of the strap that way, so it's at a correct level. It should be somewhere around like the middle of your chest, maybe even a bit higher, around the chest bridge, or as I said, higher. And now when it's underneath your t-shirt and this rubber part is touching your chest, then this front part, this plastic part, of course there's gonna be a t-shirt in between, it should be just adjusted either like that, so it's gonna take horizontal videos, or you can actually rotate it without necessarily rotating the back. Just rotate the camera to take horizontal photos or videos. And now it's gonna be working. Of course, you can use a shutter button right here, and that's gonna be about it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.